Hi, I'm Tom with the FCB Launch channel, and in this video I will show you how to set up line types in the Draft workbench. And by line types I mean whether it's dotted, dash dot, dash, solid, etc. So if I select a draft object like this line and I look at the view properties, the line type is actually under the draw style property. And if I click this drop down in the draft workbench, we are limited to 4 line types. So solid is just a solid line, then we have dashed line, then dash dot, and then of course that was dotted, and then dash dot. So I will switch this one to dotted. So this is quite a bit of a limitation, but you can actually adjust these 4 line types. And what's important thing to know that in the 3D viewport, how these lines look is just a graphical representation. If I zoom in, you can see that the dots are the size of the dots or dashes is still the same independent of how I zoom in or zoom out. So here they are basically just a representation, but if I place these lines on a TechDraw page as a draft view, these dimensions are set as you can see here. If I zoom in or zoom out, they actually change their size because on the paper they have got set dash length, then set space, set this length, then set space. So how can we adjust these line type dimensions? If I go to the 3D view again, and I will go to FreeCAD Preferences, so Edit, and then Open Preferences. And then in Preferences, I will go to the Draft workbench, and here to the Visual group of Preferences. And here I've got Drawing View Line Definitions. These define the lengths of the dash and the space when they are placed on the page. They don't change the lines here in the 3D view. So if I wanted to have those dash dot lines a bit larger than what I had on the page, so this is in millimeters. So this is the dash is 3 millimeters long, then comma, 2 means the space is 2 millimeters long, then comma. This would be the dot, so it's actually a dash, but it's very short. It's just 0.2 millimeters long, and then 2 is the space that is there created again. So if I wanted to have these double the size of the original one, I would change this to be 6 millimeter, then the space to be 4 millimeter. The dash can stay this small, and then the space again will be 4 millimeters. And if I hit OK, you can see that here nothing changes, but on the page I would actually have to go to the TechDraw workbench and redraw the page, and now you can see that the lines have changed their sizes to be double. If I wanted to change the dotted line, I could do the same. If I wanted to have more spaces between the dots, I would go to Edit, Preferences, and then again in the visuals, this is the dotted line definition, this is the dot length, and this is the space between the dots. If I wanted to have much more space, like 3 times more space or 4 times, I would put 8 millimeters there, hit OK. Here now I have to redraw the page again, and you can see that the dots have 8 millimeters in between them. So this is how I can set up my line types on TechDraw pages, and the limitation is that there are only 4 line types and one of them is solid, and these other ones I can set up as I wish. So actually I could have a 2 dash dot line types. The one will be named dotted, but I could set it up here as I wanted. So if I wanted to have it much more dense than this one, I could change it would be 2 as the length, then the space would be 0.5, then comma, then the dash will be 0.2, comma, or I could make it 0.1, comma, and then the space will be 0.5, like so. So this is for the dotted line definition. Hit OK, and now redraw the page. You can see that I think I overdid it, so it's too dense, so you have to be careful about it. So I will make it, let's say this one will be, the dashes will be 2, the spaces will be 2, like so. And if I redraw it now, you can see that I have got 2 types of dashed lines, even though these in the 3D views still look like they are dotted because they are named dotted. But if I would print the page, I could have these two dash dot line types. So this is the situation with line types in the draft workbench in FreeCAD 1.1. Hopefully in the future we will have more than 4 line type options in the draft workbench. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.